All right, let's get to it. It's Kalen Moss, the Minute Admin here. I just did a video a few minutes ago for about 47 minutes. This video, we're just gonna get to it. We're gonna talk about insights and analytics on the email marketing or email specialist exam for Marketing Cloud, and we are going to knock it out. So let's get to it. Let's do it, and let's talk about the process. So we are going to talk about insights and analytics. We already in the last video covered a couple of these two steps. We're still working on the second step. But basically, if you watch that last video, you'll see the full breakdown of exactly how to find the material that ChatGPT gave to you, like verify the material. So this is that verifying process. So I'm going to just go through it really quick because I showed you that process in the last video. So we're going to go ahead and go to the second bullet point, which is given an email campaign, describe the steps involved to analyze the performance results. All right, so on my Google Doc, we are going to do the same thing. So this is where we're at. Given an email campaign, describe the steps involved to analyze the performance results. First video, I made a basic bullet point that was a lot easier to read, which is analyze campaign performance, basically. Outline the steps to analyze the performance of an email campaign. Now, ChatGPT gave us data, it gave us information. So the first step is verify that the initial information ChatGPT brought to you is it exists. So that means literally just open everything up. This should take like a minute. So open everything up that ChatGPT gave to you, make sure it actually is a working link. And then we are going to, so that's all we're going to do. We're just going to open all these up. We're going to make sure that there is something that exists in place for the content. And that is the first step. So first step is verify the initial resource exists. This last one, improve email deliverability, that didn't. So what you would do is if, like, I need to put like an if statement, like if it doesn't exist, then if resource doesn't exist, then copy the name that Chat GPT gave to you and paste into Google with the word trailhead or help doc at the end. So that's what I'll say. For example, improve email deliverability trailhead. That's our example there. So that's how we're going to have that. And of the search phrase. Boom. There we go. Okay, so that's how we're gonna, that's what we're gonna put there. So that's really the steps of how to actually solve for this. And I'll be fixing this up, but basically that's the steps. Verify the initial resource exists. And if it doesn't exist, then what you do is, like for this one, this is a Trailhead module ChatGPT found, improve email deliverability. Since it doesn't exist, you just paste it, the name, copy the name that ChatGPT gave to you and paste into Google with the word trailhead or help doc at the end of the search phrase. And then basically after that, what you're going to do is you're going to find the resource. Find the appropriate resource that Chat GPT was trying to give to you. All right. And that's the one. Now, in this one, we already know that ChatGPT gave, I already know that ChatGPT gave us this improve email deliverability piece in the last section. So honestly, I'm just going to delete this. I'm going to delete this one. And honestly, actually, I'm not going to delete both of these because there might be something related to outlining the steps to analyze the performance. So now the next step is that we have verified that the initial resources exist. They all exist. All right, so they all exist. So improve email deliverability, Trailhead module, it exists. All right, so step 2 is verify that the initial resource is a help doc or Trailhead doc. Well, everything's a help doc, help doc, help doc, help doc, help document, or Trailhead document, Trailhead. All right, cool, that's done. Verify that the initial resource relates to a specific exam topic. Now, these 2 steps, these 3 steps right here are going to be the bulk of the time it's going to take for you to match the right material to the right topics. So, what does that mean? That means that you are going to have to, what is it? You're going to have to verify the initial resource relates to a specific exam topic. So that means intelligence reports versus data views. We already got that in the last video, in the last study session, where we're looking for, when we were looking for email campaign metrics. But now we're describing the steps involved to analyze the performance results. Now, what does it mean to describe the steps involved to analyze the performance results of an email campaign? Well, you might want to understand how to create the different reports. You might want to understand how to look at the different reports. You might want to look at Marketing Cloud intelligence reports. You might want to look at standard reports inside of Email Studio or Analytics Builder. You might want to go to your tracking overview page. You might honestly even want to look at data views for your results. So that's going to be something that, like I said, ChatGPT will give you a good first hint at what you need to study, but you're going to have to either use this doc that I give to you here, or you're going to just need to create your own from your own knowledge of what to study if you know about data views and all that. So create a standard report in Analytics Builder. I think we already have this one over here, which is create a standard report in Analytics Builder. So we're going to close that out. Intelligence reports versus data views, we're going to close that out. Email marketing strategies, we're going to go to Trailheads later. View email campaign performance. We looked at this, but we ended up going to cross-channel email performance review, which is this, which should lead us to view email campaign performance. So yeah, we already have this. So we're going to close that out. We have integrate and analyze Marketing Cloud marketing data with Marketing Cloud Intelligence. Let's see. I think that is the same thing here. Yeah. So I kept the name of it a little bit different, but honestly, I want to put it here just so I'm not confused in the future, even though it's the same thing. There we go. Right here. Integrate. Okay. So I'm going to delete the whole Marketing Cloud and then just see. Yeah, just because it makes the sentence too long. And then, so we have that. Email Studio reports and Analytics Builder, we have that right here. Email engagement dashboard right here. And email marketing strategies. This is fine. However, the thing is, what this bullet point is asking us is to outline the steps. We need to be able to outline the steps to analyze the performance of an email campaign. So if we're outlining the steps of an email campaign, then we need to make sure that we are doing all of the right things in order to analyze it, right? That means we need to know how to create it. We need to know how to run reports on it. We need to be able to understand what each step means in order to analyze it. So what that is looking like to me is it looks like for this email marketing strategies, I'm going to say improve email deliverability. Let's see where that leads us. Skip for now. Oh, look at this. Look at what it brings to us. It gives us marketing cloud engagement setup, Einstein engagement frequency, email deliverability concepts, Einstein engagement frequency, email deliverability concepts, email deliverability best practices. Let's see. So I'm going to close that out. Einstein engagement frequency. I like this, but I don't want to just talk about Einstein engagement frequency. I want to talk about Einstein in Marketing Cloud. So I'm going to take this, and I think, and this is just me going ahead, skipping ahead a little bit, but I think that we already have this using Einstein and Marketing Cloud engagement. Yeah, it already has that for us. So ChatGPT already found that resource for us. Email Studio deliverability best practices. Oh, this is a good one to put up at the top. Deliverability best practices. I'm going to put it right here under email marketing best practices. And there we have that. That saves us some, it gives us something there. And then let's see here. Okay, we're at insights and analytics. Okay, so complete deliverability prereqs, email deliverability concepts. Let's see, let's make sure we have this Trailhead module. Let's see, email marketing, email deliverability, help.salesforce, Trailhead, email deliverability concepts. Yeah, we already have that. Okay, so this is why I like to say it's a Trailhead, because then I can actually identify if I already have it. Okay. Okay, that's Trailhead. All right, so we're going to go ahead and scroll down. All right, now we have email marketing strategies. Okay, so that stuff, I'm kind of doing it a little bit out of the process order of what I'm saying. I'm saying verify that it relates to a specific exam topic. If it does, it does. If it doesn't, it doesn't. We're just going to go through this. We're just going to chug through this, and we're just going to chug through the process and see if the process works. So, okay, verify that the initial resource relates to a specific exam topic. All right, so does it or does it not? That's the question. If it does, put it next to it. We're not going to spend a whole bunch of time trying to figure out if it works or if it doesn't. But then again, you guys, like, there's so much valuable resources that you can dig into. So honestly, I'm going to just keep on digging into resources, even if they don't initially match to the exam topic I'm looking for. That's still fine. So improve email deliverability. I'm not going to keep that up because I already have that. So that I'm going to delete these three. All right. So next bullet point, run reports. Set up and run both ad hoc and automated reports in Marketing Cloud based on a customer scenario. So intelligence reports, we have intelligence reports. Get to know intelligence reports, get started, create scheduled reports. This is going to be good. Intelligence reports for advanced. Okay, install cross-channel solutions, create dimensions, customize dashboards. This looks good. Now, Salesforce help articles, standard reports in Marketing Cloud. This is good. So use standard reports, get started with reports, create a standard report. This is good right here. Create a standard report in Analytics Builder. That's what I'm gonna put down here. And because that falls under set up and run both ad hoc and automated reports. So to set that up, you got to create a standard report. You have create a standard report. You have Email Studio reports, Journey Builder reports. We're going to use, let's see, click Journey Builder reports. So I'm going to break this down. I'm going to say Email Studio reports and Analytics Builder right here. All right, so that's right there. And then we have under Email Studio, we have Journey Builder reports. We have that and Journey Builder reports. And we have that. And then we have FAQs. How do I access Analytics Builder reports? Who can access? Can I schedule? Yeah, this is good. Can I schedule a report? So I'm going to just put this FAQ right here. Can I schedule a report? And put that there. Can I create custom reports? Reports included. Do I have to set permissions? Which languages? Changes, additions, save, search, available. Okay, I'm going to keep going. I really like this because it's Einstein and analytics in Marketing Cloud Engagement. Like, this is literally everything you need to know. Honestly, like, this is set up and run both ad hoc and automated reports in Marketing Cloud Engagement. Everything is going to be under this. So even if I say creating and running reports, this is still going to be under Einstein and Analytics. And then if I say report scheduling and delivery, this is still going to be under, where's this? What is this coming from? Reports and dashboards. This is Salesforce. Schedule a report and refresh. So this looks like, wait a second. This looks like Salesforce CRM right here. Salesforce Help, Docs. This looks like this part right here. So this is actually going to help a lot because I'm going to delete this. This is going to report scheduling and delivery. Schedule, which one was that? That was, and let me know if you have any questions on how to do this stuff on, okay, so this is schedule a report for refresh. Report scheduling and delivery. Okay. Marketing Cloud Connect reports. Let's see what that's under. Using cross-cloud products with Marketing Cloud Engagement. So see, ChatGPT brought this to us. This is helpful right here. Tracking and analytics for Marketing Cloud Connect. Right here, I mean, shoot, this is good right here. Marketing Cloud Connect, tracking and analytics. MC Connect, tracking and analytics. Okay. And then configure reports in Datorama. So let's see, what does that have for us? So we have configure reports, integrate and analyze Marketing Cloud data with Marketing Cloud Intelligence, analyze your data with marketing. Well, like literally right here, it's literally saying analyze your data. Okay, so this is something I'm realizing here. You have these you have sections of the help doc that are literally telling you what the big sections are. Analyze your data with Marketing Cloud Intelligence. All right, so now the other main one is Einstein and Analytics and Marketing Cloud Engagement. Those are the two big ones. Those are the two main ones there. So, and then the other one is going to be, data views. So we're going to look up data views, and we're going to look up send logs. So the data views, retrieving and segmenting data with the SQL query activity, data views. All right, so I'm going to pull over data views, copy that, link, and send logging. All right, so send logging and Marketing Cloud email sends. All right, so we have that. So now we're going to basically have pretty much everything we need for our Salesforce help articles. Automate, set up and run both ad hoc and automated reports in the Marketing Cloud based on a customer scenario. So I actually really like this, because this is going to give us the overview of what to study, and then it's going to give us the details of what to study as well. So send logging, data views. Okay. All right, cool. Now the next one is Trailhead modules. So what Trailhead modules did it give us? So open up the Trailhead modules. It's not opening. Remember this step right here is verify that the resource exists. So the very first step that we have to do if it doesn't open is we have to copy the name. If the resource doesn't exist, or if the resource doesn't open, then copy the name that ChatGPT gave to you and paste it into Google with the word Trailhead or Help Doc, depending on what you're looking at. So which ones didn't open? The first one, which is Marketing Cloud Intelligence Reports, copy that, and then type in Trailhead. And then boom, we have intelligence reports. And then the other one that didn't open right here was Analytics and Reporting in Marketing Cloud. So we're going to paste that in and then type in Trailhead. Okay, so reporting and analytics, there's a trail mix, run reports and track results. These are good. So Marketing Cloud engagement basics, products, get to know engagement, Google Analytics. So Google Analytics 360, Google Analytics reports and dashboards, understand web users, Marketing Cloud Intelligence, data visualization with Marketing Cloud Intelligence, journey campaign analytics, build and administer CRM analytics, build and administer. Okay. All right, we're going to go ahead and take this. Appreciate you, Chris. This is what we're going to take right here. We're going to use Chris's trail mix right here as a start. This isn't what we're going to end with, but we're going to have exactly what we need for the test whenever we start studying. Because a lot of this, we're just gathering a lot of information, but in the next phase, we're going to be trimming down the information. So we're just gathering the information that's relevant, and then we're going to trim based on what we actually need. So run reports and track results. I like this. I like this a lot. So I think this is going to lead us to a lot of different things, which is, let's see here. Standard reports, tracking in Email Studio. I think this is going to open underneath the tracking in Email Studio. Okay. So we have, where's this? Okay. So we're going to put this right here, tracking in Email Studio. We're going to have this come under outline the steps to analyze the performance. We're going to pull this up to different metrics. Tracking in email. Oh, we already have this. We already have this, you guys. Tracking in Email Studio. Already got that. Get to know intelligence reports. Let's see. Get to know intelligence reports. What's that going to open up? Get to know intelligence reports for engagement. That's going to be this. So intelligence reports for engagement. Yeah, I mean, shoot, this is, oh, here we go. We already have it. We already have it. ChatGPT already found it for us. We're just verifying some of this stuff. Okay, so cool. Okay, so, all right. Now we are, let's see, intelligence reports. We already have that. Intelligence reports for advanced. We already have that. Intelligence reports for engagement. We already have that. And this one, run reports and track results. I don't know if we have this one. So I'm going to put this. Analytics and reporting and marketing cloud. I'm going to put this run reports and track results. Copy. Run reports and track results. Okay, we've got that. Get to know intelligence reports. Explore your data with pivot tables. Create scheduled reports. Intelligence reports for engagement. Okay, we already have that. And then we have our list there. Okay, so that's our initial list. Let's see. Oh, wait, hold on. Okay, let's finish this. So reports, run reports, and track results. Email marketing strategies. We already have that. We don't need that one. Marketing Cloud Intelligence reports. Okay, so I'm pretty sure we already have this one. Marketing Cloud Intelligence reports, but let's see. Marketing Cloud Intelligence reports. Okay, let's see. Oh, we don't have it. So we're going to go up here and we're going to find it. Marketing Cloud. Oh, we have to add Trailhead at the end. Intelligence reports for engagements. For engagement, we already have it. So right here. Boom, right there, right there. And then we're just going to take these because these are getting all up in the way. And we're going to put them down here. Okay. Given a customer scenario, recommend an Einstein product that will analyze campaign effectiveness. So we just did that one for ad hoc and automated reports right here. Now we're going to recommend Einstein products. So this is specific about Einstein products. Suggest an Einstein product that will analyze the effectiveness of a campaign in a customer scenario. All right, so recommend an Einstein product that will analyze campaign effectiveness. This is what ChatGPT found for us. So we're just going to open everything up. Open up, remember, because this is the first step. Verify that initial resource exists. And we're going to open this up. We're going to open this up and we're going to open this stuff up. So two of these didn't get found, but remember, verify that it exists. If it doesn't open, then copy the name that ChatGPT gave to you. So we're going to copy the name that ChatGPT gave, go to that browser, and then we're just going to add in Trailhead at the end. And it says get smart with Salesforce Einstein. And then we have Marketing Cloud Intelligence reports, which for that one, we already know we have. So we're going to type in Trailhead at the end, and then we have it. So we already have that. I'm going to delete this one. Get smart with Einstein predictions. Right here. Get smart with Salesforce Einstein. Einstein basics. Responsible creation of AI. Einstein bots. Next best action. Sales Cloud Einstein. Now, I don't really like this one because this is for CRM side of things. So I'm going to go back and it's going to say, get smart with Salesforce Einstein, get to know Einstein prediction service, get started with Einstein. I'm going to say, get smart with Einstein predictions. And I'm going to just say Marketing Cloud. And let's see if we have Einstein. Let's just delete this, Einstein. Some of the stuff you're still going to have to come in and manually research. Use Einstein features in Marketing Cloud engagement, trail, right here. Marketing Cloud engagement, Einstein activation, Einstein messaging insights, get to know messaging insights, explore engagement scoring, send time and frequency optimization. So we're going to take this, we're going to say use Einstein features, but see how this gave us something to actually research. That's the whole goal. The whole goal is use the AI to get your research started, get the research process started. So using Einstein and Marketing Cloud engagement, let's see. Using Einstein and Marketing Cloud engagement, we have that. Okay, this other one, explore every Marketing Cloud Einstein product. Let's see. I think honestly, if you open this, you'll have understand the data that Einstein uses. I mean, this is literally everything using Einstein and Marketing Cloud engagement. I mean, this is, I'd say one other thing is Google Analytics integration for Marketing Cloud. That's one thing I think we should put in here. And I don't think it should go in the Einstein part, but I do think that it should go in the outline the steps to analyze Google Analytics integration, integrate Google Audiences, Journey Analytics metrics, Google Analytics tracking. So I think we should just take these four: Analytics Audiences, Journey Analytics metrics, Analytics tracking, and Analytics integration FAQ. Let's see. Google Analytics audience, create a Google Analytics audience, track a Google Analytics audience, share an audience, use an audience data extension. So let's do track a Google Analytics audience. And we're gonna put this one under, we're gonna categorize this. We're gonna say Google Analytics, and we're gonna put this track a Google Analytics audience. And we have that. Journey Analytics metrics. Copy that. Paste it here. Google Analytics tracking. Copy that. And we're going to paste it here. Google Analytics integration FAQs. Why aren't all my Google Analytics audiences listed on the setup page? Why doesn't subscriber count? Why don't my subscribers appear? What limits? Why can't I see? We'll put this. It doesn't mean we're gonna like necessarily use it for good, but or forever. We are going to use it for good. Marketing and advertising tools. Okay, so we have that. Okay, so how Einstein campaign insights work, but that falls under account engagement. All right, so that's going to be Einstein campaign insights. We're going to delete that out because you got to make sure, is this Marketing Cloud engagement or is this account engagement? All right, so with that, we deleted that one out. We don't need that. So Einstein and Marketing Cloud. So, I mean, shoot, we have Einstein for Marketing Cloud Engagement feature overview and requirements. I mean, we have it. Shoot, that's good. All right. So we have everything we need for Einstein or for insights and analytics, at least the starting point here. So we have our starting point for what we need for insights and analytics. So when it comes to studying for insights and analytics, you need to study the 4 bullet points related to that section on the exam. Now, in that, you have this document that I've created right here, which you can go ahead and use. Make a copy of it on your own, work on it on your own, do your own research. You can watch this video, but that is basically all we have for that specific this specific one. Now that we finished this, I'm not going to intermingle this part with subscriber and data management. What I am going to do is I am going to make another video where I basically go through subscriber and data management and we knock that out the same way we knocked this out. So that's all I've got in this video. Insights and analytics is now, at least from a first step, doing some digging, relating the initial resources with the appropriate exam topics. Those initial steps are done for that specific piece. So the output is first draft of exam prep study guide. That's what it is. So first draft of exam prep study guide. All right. So that's what we have so far. And I will see you in the next video where we talk about subscriber and data management. And we will get into building that out for subscriber and data management. Kalen Moss, Minute Admin. Let me know if you have any questions, but Kalen Moss, Minute Admin, out.